How to fix if your Windows taskbar is freezing. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your Windows taskbar freezing. First thing first, you need to go ahead and right click on your Windows taskbar and see if it works. If it doesn't, you need to access your task manager somehow. So you can use your keyboard shortcut Control Shift or Escape. Press all three together and it's going to open up your task manager. But if that doesn't work for you, then you just have to basically press Windows key and then search for task manager. Hit enter. Now on your task manager, there is a simple trick you need to do. So all you got to do here is scroll down and find Windows Explorer. And once you find Windows Explorer, just right click on it, click on restart. It's gonna Once you have the blank background, you should be good to go. Now your taskbar should be working normally again. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.